So we did it. We went and got us a new camper. This was a fifth wheel camper. It's pretty big. We plan on doing a lot of camping in the future. And we bought it. Originally, we was going to get a new motorhome, but we quickly figured out that these fifth wheels are a lot bigger, a lot more space in them than the motorhomes. But we didn't really want to purchase a real expensive truck, but we wound up doing that. We had a lot of equity in Carrie's car, so we traded it in and got a F-250 that can pull fifth wheel. And we were going to wait probably 6-8 months before we did it, but we went ahead and pulled the trigger. I tend to do that once I figure I want something. I usually get it. I try to ride that line between living life and not waiting to live life, but trying to stay responsible too. So anyway, let me show you around this camper. It's really nice. So here it is. This is the Forest River Sabre 37 RV miles, and it's pretty new. It's a brand new camper, but it's a pretty new concept. They've done some pretty special things on this one. I got this door open here. Close this. This is all the water hookups. But anyway, we got 3 slides on this side. It's 43 feet long. 2, I think there's 7,000 axles, 7,000 pound axles. I think that's right. And so we got 3 slides on this side. And 1 on this side. But we kind of got another one. I guess you could almost say 5, because this has got a really special thing on it. This is a porch that folds down. And I'll show you that in just a minute. But really nice camper. Ooh. And it is getting cold. So here we are. Let's see if I can get some lights on. Little dinette. Living room with a 70-inch TV. Here is the 12-volt refrigerator, big refrigerator. We need that. This has a fold-up area so you can get some more counter space. Got a stove, 3-burner stove, and an oven, microwave. And then back here, this is going to be Kayla's room. And this has a screen that comes down. And what's pretty cool, it's got a projector. That's a 70-inch screen, so it's supposed to be a 70-inch projector screen. And then there's a ladder here, but this is the loft area, which is pretty tall. I could probably get there, sit up when I'm in there. We'll have the grandbabies will get to go up there, Marcus and Jackson and Killian and Raylan. So pretty cool. So that's Kayla's area, and then come back here to the back. Got a bathroom, slide out, storage space, and yeah, this bathroom's kind of small. But when you're camping, you really don't spend too much time in a camper. So, and that's supposed to be an RV King. I think that's right. I'm not sure where the light switch. Oh, it must be right here. Oh, there we go. So we don't need to know this thing yet, and it's got a pretty nice sized closet. Washer and dryer hookup. So really nice. Really gonna enjoy this. I think we're gonna try to take it out next week. But let me show you this part here that's pretty special, which is, I think they're starting to do a little bit of this, but technical problems, but we got it figured out. So there it is, got a little porch. And this awning goes over it. So this is pretty cool. I was worried about how stable this was gonna be, but you know, I'm not a small person, but this is pretty good. So anyway, yep. There it is from out here. Awning there, and it's got a little mini fridge out here. So pretty cool. And they got a section under here where there's a gas line where you can hook a grill up if you wanted to. But yep. But this is it. So that's the Forest River Sabre 37RVMILES. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. We're really looking forward to taking it out and doing some camping. We should have this for a while. I mean, we bought a truck so we could get it. So anyway, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and remember, not all those who wander are lost. Thanks for watching.